God, severe thunderstorm.
In north central Georgia, northwestern Forsyth County in north central Georgia.
Oh my God,
Lincoln County
severe
in
thunderstorm
north
warning.
central Georgia. Dawson County in north central Georgia. Southeastern Gordon County in northwestern Georgia. Pickens County in north central Georgia. Bartow
What the
County
heck?
in northwestern Georgia.
Oh my God.
Until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh my God.
At 12:48 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Dial to near Adamsville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated.
Oh my God.
Attack. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton,
Oh my God.
Cartersville, Calhoun, Dahlonega,
Oh my
Jasper,
God.
Dawsonville,
Severe
Woodstock,
thunderstorm.
Ackworth, Holly Springs,
This is gonna
Adamsville,
keep me up all
Emerson,
night.
Ball Ground, Nelson,
Oh my God.
White, Waleska, Talking Rock, Free Home, Cassville, Buffington, and Doherty. This is a dangerous situation. These storms
I thought this was a
are
glitch for
widespread
some
wind
reason.
damage.
I was just about to go to sleep.
Shelter now
I-
inside a sturdy structure and stay away
I
from
put this
windows.
on.
Intense
Oh my
thunderstorm
gosh.
lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread
I was
significant
just
wind
about to put the
damage.
262 and the 261 on
Although a
silent.
tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh my God.
These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding,
Oh my
wait
gosh.
until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At midnight in Atlanta.